Alright, so I got this link from my bro. Earn your share of EOS. You've been invited to join CoinBase Earn and get up to $50 of the EOS. I'm gonna accept this invitation up to $50. Heck yeah, we'll accept it if it'll let me accept it. What do you mean no thanks? I hit accept. Yeah, you gotta view the terms. Oh man, here we go. There we go, sweet. So understand the terms and conditions. Probably say, hey, if we run out of funds, yada yada yada, need complete customer ID verification. Oh, so they gotta have max level account. So you basically you're gonna be a verified customer with Coinbase. That's cool. Switzerland, Denmark. Read all the read all the information, guys. Referral links. That's kind of cool. I am maxed out. I trust Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the most trusted platforms out there in the cryptocurrency market. I don't think they've ever been compromised. They're a pretty good damn company. That's why I'm putting it. So, all right. Oh, there's a couple of them. I might try all these. But anyways, let's do the EOS. I'm gonna accept the invitation. Maybe. Let me accept it. I accept. Maybe I can do terms of services too. I don't know. Eligibility. Cool. Now will let me accept? Nope. Is there 2 checks or something? Am I missing out on something? Why is this thing not working? Weird. Alrighty then. Apparently it's not working. For some odd reason. Okay. Alright. Oh, so you get to watch the videos. Okay. Duh. Alright, so let's watch the videos. Let's watch a 3-minute video, earn $2. I'm game with this.
What are EOSIO and EOS?
Yeah, let's go 10 times.
Let's say you're a software developer, and you want to build a blockchain-based application designed for millions of users. What do you need to consider?
Let's go 1.5.
Blockchains have several advantages over traditional web applications, such as security and decentralization. However, in the past, they've also struggled to scale, been difficult to develop for, and
This is
suffered from
true
significant
in the
transaction
past.
fees. If you're a developer building an app for millions of people, these limitations are real concerns. That's why the open source EOSIO protocol was created. EOSIO was designed from the ground up to support scalable, easy-to-use, secure blockchain applications. First, EOSIO itself is scalable. Applications built on EOSIO have much lower latency than other blockchains. This means you don't have to wait minutes or even hours to know if a payment was processed or a message was sent. Transactions on EOSIO take only half a second.
Damn.
Second, EOSIO is easy to use for both users and developers. Transactions are free. Actions like sending tokens to a friend, selling an in-game item, or liking a comment are all free. And because they're on-chain, these transactions are also highly secure. EOSIO also supports short account names that users can choose for themselves and keep forever. Many other blockchains use difficult to remember public keys as an account name.
This is true. They're
With EOSIO, your account looks like this rather than this.
Oh, I like that.
For developers to build
Beautiful.
apps, EOSIO is also powered by a technology called WebAssembly. This lets developers build very fast apps using popular programming languages like C++. Finally, the protocol offers distinct security features. For example, permissioned private keys. These are keys that can only perform certain actions like posting a message, but can't perform more sensitive ones like sending tokens. That means if you lose your phone or your permissioned private key, your crypto stays safe. So if that's EOSIO, what is EOS itself? EOS is the name of a blockchain that runs on the EOSIO protocol. It's also the name of the EOS blockchain system token. Today, EOS is the most popular EOSIO blockchain, but it's not the only one. Developers are rapidly building new EOSIO blockchains to serve a variety of communities.
Yes, they are.
In the next lesson, we'll explore what gives EOSIO blockchains their high performance, an innovative consensus model called Delegated Proof of Stake.
All right, let's get our money. Take the quiz. Decentralized finance platform for lending and borrowing crypto. A video game running on the EOS blockchain. A popular EOS wallet, desktop, mobile. A cryptocurrency focused on privacy. A blockchain protocol for fast and scalable applications. Tough decisions. Let's go with this one. Oh yeah, $2, baby. Woo, big money, easy money in the bank. Oh, lesson 2. Oh man, watch the video and we can take the quiz. All right, let's go. Come on, give me some more money.
What is delegated proof of stake?
I already know what this is.
EOSIO's consensus model. What's a consensus model, and how does it work? In the world of blockchain, consensus is how all the computers that run the network reach agreement.
Yep.
If computer A thinks that Sally has 6 tokens, computer B thinks that Sally has 4 tokens, and computer C thinks that Sally has 12 tokens, then they don't have consensus. This makes it impossible for the network to function because no one agrees about who owns what. So consensus is very important. It allows all the computers in the network to be in complete agreement without the need for a central decision maker. Achieving consensus, however, comes at a cost. It can make blockchains slow because decisions must be made collectively. Bitcoin, for example, uses a consensus model called proof of work. With proof of work, computers race to solve a mathematical problem, a process known as mining. The first computer to solve the problem shares the solution, which includes a list of validated transactions, with all the other computers on the network. The transactions are then added to the Bitcoin blockchain. The network builds consensus, and every computer races to find the next proof of work. This consensus model is very effective, but can also be slow and energy inefficient. EOSIO approaches consensus differently. It uses a different model called delegated proof of stake. With delegated proof of stake, computers don't compete over computational power. Instead, the network's users vote for the computers who they think are best qualified to run the network. This consensus model is designed to be faster and more energy efficient than proof of work. On EOSIO, the computers that run the network are called block producers. Many block producers are full-time professional teams running enterprise-scale hardware. On EOS specifically, the 21 block producers that get the most votes are delegated to run the network. Each block producer takes a turn validating transactions and producing blocks, which are then checked by the other 20 block producers. The block producers are then rewarded with EOS tokens for running the network properly. All of this happens very quickly. EOSIO produces a block every half second. By comparison, on Bitcoin, a block is produced every 10 minutes. If a block producer fails to verify transactions properly, for example, because it goes offline or isn't providing enough computing power to run the network's users can simply withdraw their votes for that block producer, and another block producer will immediately take its place. Today, there are hundreds of active block producer candidates on the EOS network. While only 21 actively provide consensus, EOS tokens are awarded to all block producers who receive a significant number of votes as a reward for providing computing power to the network. In the next lesson, we'll learn more about the EOS token.
Let's get our money. Oh, we're going proof of stake, baby. Delegated proof of stake. Oh, that's a trick question. See that? They want you to go proof of stake, but delegated proof of stake. Gotta get that money. Bam! Oh, $2 more. Easiest money I've ever made in my life. Crazy mode, huh? Is that easy or what? All right, let's check this out.
What is the EOS token? EOS is a cryptocurrency running on the EOS blockchain. It has 4 distinctive features. First, EOS transactions are fast. Transactions are confirmed in only half a second and finalized in under 2 minutes. Second, it's free to transfer. Many other blockchains charge a fee for every transaction. This fee can range from less than a penny to several dollars during times of peak traffic. EOS, on the other hand, is always free to transfer. There is no mining fee. Free transfers make EOS especially appealing for microtransactions of a few cents or less. For example, buying an in-game item for 1 cent in an EOS-based game will cost just that, 1 cent. On other blockchains, it might cost 1 cent for the item and 5 more cents for the transaction fee. Free transfers also mean that simple actions on EOS, such as liking a comment or changing a username, don't require a transaction fee, helping to remove friction for users. Third, EOS tokens play an important role in governing the EOS blockchain. Only people who hold EOS can vote for the blockchain producers who run the network. Finally, EOS is the only token on the EOS network that can be used to obtain the resources that developers need to run applications. We'll explain how resources work on EOS and other EOSIO blockchains in the next lesson.
That was a nice short video for $2. Fast and free transfers. I would love to sync it with my bank account. Come on, big money. Come on, show me the money. Yeah, $2 more. We're up to 6. This easy. This is just stupid easy. Come on now.
CPU, net, and RAM. Resources on EOSIO. This is Sally. She's created an application that she wants to deploy on EOS, one of the blockchains built with the EOSIO protocol. What does she need to get it running? On other blockchains, Sally might deploy her app by paying a one-time mining fee. Then, when her users interact with the app, they would have to pay a mining fee as well, for every single transaction. Those fees add up fast, and they're collected by the miners, not by Sally. EOS and other EOSIO blockchains approach things differently. On EOSIO blockchains, developers like Sally don't have to pay to upload or update applications, and users don't have to pay to use them. Instead, both users and developers leverage EOSIO's 3 network resources to cover the network's costs. CPU is processing power. It's measured in microseconds. If Sally's app has a lot of complex transactions, she'll need more CPU. Net is network bandwidth. It's measured in bytes. If Sally's app handles a large number of transactions, she'll need more net. CPU and net are obtained by staking EOS tokens, or whatever token is designated for staking on other EOSIO chains. Staking is the process of locking up crypto for a period of time. EOSIO rewards people who stake their tokens by giving them access to network resources.
Nice.
There is no cost to stake apart from owning the token itself. And the more tokens Sally stakes, the more resources she gets. On EOS, regular users might only need to stake a fraction of 1 EOS to get all the CPU and net they need. Users who need more bandwidth and resources, like gamers who make lots of transactions, might stake several EOS. And a developer like Sally might need to stake hundreds of EOS to cover all the processing power and network bandwidth her app needs. If she ever needs more, she can stake more EOS to get it. Or she can unstake her EOS if her resource needs decline. The third EOSIO resource is RAM.
Slick.
RAM is measured in kilobytes and represents data storage. The more on-chain storage developers like Sally need, the more RAM they need to acquire. Unlike CPU and net, RAM is not obtained by staking. Instead, it's purchased through a market managed by EOSIO's core system software. If you're a new EOS user, you'll get all the CPU, net, and RAM you need when you set up a new wallet. In the next lesson, we'll explore how apps are developed for EOS and other EOSIO blockchains.
All right, it's taking money. Stake them, baby. Stake them. Yeah, give me the money. Show me the money. Show me the money. Yeah, 2 more bucks. All right, all right. Damn, we up to 8. This is lesson 5. Well, it's our last $10 special. All right, 1.5. Let's check it out. Liking it, EOS. I'm liking it.
EOSIO is a blockchain protocol that's designed from the ground up for large-scale, real-world applications. With EOSIO, any developer can create a blockchain like the EOS blockchain itself, high-speed, flexible, and secure. For example, Sally might create the SAL blockchain. The SAL blockchain could have its own tokens, its own resources, and its own block producers. And because all EOSIO blockchains use the same protocol, Sally's blockchain could send data cross-chain to other EOSIO blockchains. Alternatively, Sally could build an app or launch a token on the EOS blockchain itself, allowing her to leverage EOS's computing resources and popularity. EOSIO has 4 features that developers often find valuable. First, EOSIO gives developers the freedom to upgrade smart contracts rather than upload new ones, something that's not possible on many other blockchains. Second, EOSIO has the ability to create scheduled and recurring transactions. That's useful, for example, when paying for a monthly subscription. Third, EOSIO has a rich set of pre-built libraries that help developers build apps faster and avoid common security issues. Finally, developers can create apps using familiar development tools. That's because EOSIO uses the same front-end technologies that power many existing non-blockchain web applications. In the future, EOSIO aims to become even more developer-friendly. New tools for discovering, accessing, and querying blockchain data are being built, as are new features for improved performance. Today, blockchain applications are often difficult to use and develop for. EOSIO is working to change that by aiming to create a flexible, scalable protocol that's built for the real world and for real people.
Nice. Let's take the quiz. What is an EOS feature that developers often find valuable? Nope. What other blockchains? Oh man, I lost it. I don't remember. Upgradable smart contracts. It uses traditional mobile fees. Oh, it uses transaction fees to keep usage low. No. Oh man, I just drew a blank for it. Compatible with other blockchains on the EOS thing, which is kind of nice. Let's see if I failed. I can't remember. Oh my god, oops, try again. Look at that, we can just keep going. Upgradable smart contracts. Let's just keep trying. It's compatible with other EOS blockchains, which is pretty cool. Yes, and it is upgraded. Yeah, smart contracts. And now I own some EOS. Hell yeah. Can't believe I got that last one wrong. I should have read it a little closer. Okay, what's next? Is there another lesson? Oh, alright, here's where I get to do my gift referral. Start inviting friends. Understand. Start inviting friends. I can invite 4 friends. This is my link. I'm gonna post this, guys, in the video. So if any of you guys want to take this short little quiz and get $10 worth of EOS for me and you, and then you give out to 4 of your buddies, and they can get $10 worth of EOS for you and your buddy. That's pretty awesome. So I'll post it. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Peace out. Let me see. Let me make sure I got my money. Let me see. Where's my portfolio? No, I don't have any Bitcoin. Counts. Yeah. Oh, there's 2. Oh, I got 21 bucks worth of Bitcoin. Yeah, on CoinBase. Where's EOS? Show me the money. Bam! Oh, $10. Look at that right there. I got $10 with EOS. Now, if I want, I could just sell it. and put it in Bitcoin if I wanted to, but I'm not going to sell it. I like it. I like what they're trying to do and where they're trying to go. Just disclaimer, I already did own some EOS before this video, but now I own more EOS, which is awesome. So click on the referral link, guys. I'll post it in the video, and yeah, get some EOS. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.